guys, today I got some pasta glue that, you know why? Because of a prank. So first I'm going to put them on the side of my mouth. And watch. Hey Mama, could you crack my neck?
Okay. Yeah, that's not cute.
She figured a secret. Okay, bye guys.